Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm hanging out with my friend, Joey Graceffa.
Hello there.
You guys know Joey. He is amazing. He is the best.
Oh my God. Stop it some more.
I love him so much. I'm gonna be putting all of his links down below, so if you are new to my channel, go check him out, show him some love, subscribe, like all the videos. We also did a video over on his channel. Joey, what did we do over there?
We did a noob versus pro bake-off where we created a monster cake, and let's just say one of our cakes was very noobish and one of them was very professional looking, so...
We'll let you guys decide. So click down below, click down below and go let us know.
Yeah, well, Ro, what are we doing here today?
I invited you over because so many of our friends are makeup gurus. Right? And I've been getting a lot of like gorgeous press palettes in the mail, and they are they're stunning. And I thought, let's do the opposite. Now, this is a tradition on my channel. Every Halloween, every spooky season, you guys request that we try these very inexpensive, $5 cheap Halloween makeup kits. And you wanted to see a couple of them this year, so I am making your Halloween spooky season dreams come true today. Joey, I'm gonna apologize in advance. These things are rough.
That's okay, I'm down for it. I've done crazier things.
Let's show them the 4 different kits that we have today. We'll start with the glam looks. Joey, what do we have?
Well, we have an Ice Queen look. Elsa's shaking right now. And the Little Mermaid is also quaking because we have a mermaid makeup kit. And
then for our creepy, spooky, gory looks, we have the Joker, which a new movie came out, and this is a creepy pumpkin. Literally, your face is a jack-o'-lantern.
I'm excited about that one. I want to do this one.
You do? Okay, dibs. All right, this is for you.
Okay.
We're gonna start with our glam look. So Joey, which one would you like?
Honestly, I was a mermaid at your Halloween party last year, so I feel like I need to stay on brand and stick with the mermaid vibes.
Okay, you have practice there. All right.
So you get to be Elsa.
Oh, yes. Yes, I'm gonna be an ice queen. All right, let's start our first kits.
Should we get started?
Yeah, let's cut these puppies open. I'm gonna have to put my hair up for this, probably. Whoa, so Elsa already. Oh my gosh, let me braid my, oh, I gotta braid my hair like Elsa.
Absolutely.
What was I thinking?
I don't know.
What? Bring all the hair to this side. Welcome my makeup tutorial looks channel. And I'm blonder?
You are Elsa.
This is
like,
wow.
It's over. Mine came with a couple of things.
What is that?
Okay, so I've actually seen this done before. It's like a little pantyhose type thing. You just like dabble on makeup.
Okay.
And then you take it away and it will leave lines so it looks like a scale.
Oh, I get it. It's, hair check. Now for the looks.
Oh my.
I'm ready for this makeup. Oh, wow. Okay.
The James Charles palette could never. These 2 shades are revolutionizing the makeup industry.
Show me your palette.
Well, it's 2 colors. It's
blue and white. All right, let me get the picture, and I'm gonna try to match the picture. There's 2 pictures though, Joey. Which one do I go for? Like this glam?
The glammy
one?
Literally,
or this like frostier one?
She was trapped outside in the Arctic weather for years.
Okay, I wanna be the Arctic queen. I wanna look like I've been there for a while.
I'm hoping that this is gonna actually work.
I'm hoping that this is really gonna... Oh, this brush is terrible. We need a sponge. Oh, this does not spread. It's like crumbly.
It looks like you're putting glue on your forehead.
How am I supposed to cover my whole face in this? Oh, pink got in there. Where'd the pink? Oh, jeez. I'll just... It's like gummy highlighter.
No!
It's like gummy.
Rosanna!
It's like gummy.
Ooh!
It's like
You look
sticky.
like you have a little bit of a condition going on.
Does it look like I've been out in the snow for seasons?
Not
Does
really.
it look like winter is coming?
I would say no.
Does it look like winter came and it's me?
Are we ready for the first reveal to see how this is gonna look?
Oh yeah, let me see, let me see. Okay, it kind of worked. I mean, there's...
I'm gonna try it like here on my cheek.
Ow. Oh, looks like I put twigs on my freaking eyes.
Oh my god.
Looks like.
Why are those so bad?
I don't know. It looks like one of those Christmas displays where they have all the, the glittery branches and bark. Oh, sweet. Oh, wow.
Honestly, just using your fingers is the best.
It's better than
All right,
these.
let's see how this cheek worked. Ooh, okay, work.
What? Let me see. Okay,
Right?
that cheek looks better than the forehead. That was really good,
Yeah,
Joey.
I don't know what happened with the forehead.
What exactly is the pink for? There's no pink in this entire picture. We're supposed to be pink.
And it's like hot Barbie pink. Like, it does not make any sense.
Well,
Okay.
I mean, I feel like they could have given me a solid white would have been nice. What's this for?
I think it's for these crystals.
Okay,
For you to glue
I
them
gotta
on.
glue these to my face.
Okay.
I make lines where the crystals are supposed to be.
Oh, girl, that is way too much glue. Oh,
Joey,
Rosanna!
Joey, smell it. Maybe you want to barf a little. Can you smell this? Oh.
Smells good. Smells like chemicals that destroy your esophagus. I need to add some glue to my face.
Hey. Oh, they're hot now.
They're hot? What do you mean it's hot?
They're hot.
Is it burning your skin off?
Yeah, but I'm still doing it. Oh, God.
Rosanna.
What am I? They're actually hot.
Oh, bro.
It's hot. It's actually really.
Why are you putting acid on your face right now?
I'm trying to look good for Halloween.
You're gonna take it off and literally your skin's gonna melt off when you like wipe it off.
Okay, so the last step of this look is I need to add a little bit of blue eyeshadow.
This glitter is going to change your lives. Oh,
What? Is it great?
it's fabulous.
Are you kidding me?
The mermaid just jumped out.
I need to look more like Elsa. No, I feel like her distant cousin who got stuck in the snowstorm and got eaten by an abominable
Ooh.
snowman.
This highlight though.
She painted her lips too. So we're gonna do silver.
Don't eat it. Oh, Ro!
It's part of my look.
Ooh, haunting. Girl, that is terrifying.
Elsa's so jealous. Elsa is so jealous of me right now. She really
I'm
is.
not sure about that. Oh my god, I can't even look at you.
But Joey, do your nails match your look? Cause mine do.
Girl, it looks like you were just digging through some sugar. I don't know why I added these lines under my eyes, but they're there now.
Okay, we did it. Boom. Here are our first looks. We have a ice queen. Ooh, and a beautiful mermaid over here. I was wanting to look like Elsa.
You're Elsa after she lost her powers and ended up in the snowy biome for 10
She had a
years.
real bad emotional breakdown and then she ended up like me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to our gory looks.
Fun!
Okay, for our gory looks, I am gonna be trying the evil prankster, so it's basically the Joker.
Yeah.
And then Joey,
I'm gonna be a pumpkin man.
easy on, easy off. Let's check it out. Ow! Oh my gosh,
Just a little exfoliation for you.
Joey!
Oh! That is shocking.
It's painful. It feels like a really
Oh.
hardcore exfoliator, like just like.
Mine too.
Oh.
They're like little daggers.
Joey, I've glued my hair to my forehead. It's actually, oh,
Ro.
ow, oh.
Ro. Sharp.
Oh, sharp like glass, like the ice queen would want it.
I don't know if she'd want it, but
Woof. Out of all the makeup kits I have ever tested, I think that this is the most painful and messiest one to clean up. Since our first sets went so well, we're gonna do our scary looks now. Ooh, okay, we're working with a tri-palette again. I got white, red, and black. And those are actually the colors on his face. So I'm feeling kind of great about this. Ooh, we have fake blood?
girl, you get crystals and blood.
Wow. This is a day. All right, I'm using this as my inspo. I'm gonna keep this right in front of me. No, we need to put a foundation on. We need to put okay, whew, focus.
This is so interesting. So there's a little cutout, dotted line for you to cut out the mouth.
Oh, so like you can breathe?
I feel like I want to do the orange first. This is not very pigmented. It's very sheer.
Well,
like where is
I mean,
it?
I can see it. Joey, it may feel sheer, but it's real bright. I mean, that looks like a pumpkin.
Hey, pumpkin head.
Here we go. Let me get my chin. Let me get, well, look what I did to my earring. It's so greasy, it's literally holding my earring on my face. Well, the Joker didn't have earrings, so we're just gonna take these out. Oh, I'm sorry, gold earrings. Oops. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this so good. You're gonna be so impressed by me.
I don't like the way I look. I do not look like a pumpkin.
You're very orange. You look just like a little pumpkin. Look at these pumpkins behind us. You look similar. You look pretty similar, actually. All right, now for the next color in our palette, we're gonna go ahead and dip into the black with a little spongy brush here, triangle. I went in hard, Joey. I got my smoky eye.
Oh gosh, my eye is closed shut.
Oh my gosh, Joey, blow on it. Maybe it will dry and you could crack it open.
She's sealed.
Oh, well maybe you could be a one-eyed pumpkin. For my details, we've got liquid latex. This is glue, everybody. We're gonna put it right over.
Oh, what happened?
I just got it in my mouth. Don't eat it. And we're just gonna put it right here. Dang it.
Bro.
Oh God.
I just got it in my mouth.
We're gonna let that dry so it looks a little drippy and like realistic. And then we're gonna put some fake blood over it.
Yeah, so it actually sticks.
This smells so bad. This smells.
Oh!
It smells so bad. It smells like burnt rubber on fire, and it's on my face. It's like right by my nose too. It's like where you eat stuff. Oh God. Let's put the blood on. Oh God, dogs! It's just a delivery.
Oh,
Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Daniel, you should like check out our Halloween looks or whatever.
Beautiful.
Can you tell what I am, Danny?
I don't know. Prince Charming, probably.
Yeah, Prince Charming. You got it right. Oh my gosh. Joey, is this your last detail?
Yes, the mouth.
This is a self-adhesive tattoo. Joey, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm scared to put it on. I'm scared to take it off. Here. Oh my gosh.
He's speechless.
You get this one.
You cut the hole in there so you could breathe, right? No, it did not come off. It did not come off at all. While you're doing the final look, I'm gonna do the final look. This did not come with the makeup, but I really want to look like the Joker, so I got this wig. So let me put this wig on really quick.
Oh!
What does it look like?
This!
Joey!
Hey, everybody! How's it going?
Joey, that's terrible. Oh no, Joey, no. Oh no.
Yeah, that's awful.
Is this a hairnet I'm supposed to put on before? Okay, now let's put on this little Joker wig and call it. Ready?
Screw the tattoo.
Oh my God, why is there netting over my forehead? This ruined my look.
Her netting is showing.
I have too much hair. It won't fit underneath. What do you think? Do I look like the Joker?
I mean, you look really cute. Like a cute Joker. Like the Joker's sweet.
Sweet boo. No, he already has a boo. It's Harley, right? Okay, I'll be his daughter. Hi, the Joker's totally like my dad.
You don't want to be a criminal. It's just like a life that you were born into.
Yeah, so I'm like really good at it, but I don't want to be.
Right.
Joey, that's kind of looking really better. But it is in your teeth though. Joey, we don't know if that can come off. Joey, no. It could stay on there. You could have a black tooth forever. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get you Crest whitening strips after this. We're gonna have to bleach them a little.
Sponsored by Chris.
Crest, please call us. Help, this is a tooth emergency now. They send us whitening toothpaste.
That's gorgeous.
Okay, and ta-da! There you have it. Here are our second looks. Joey is a spooky pumpkin that made this work despite that little tattoo not working.
Rotten pumpkin.
Wow. It's really, I mean, he committed. You just spooked me right there. See? I can't. Do I creep you out at all?
No.
Joey. Okay, wait. Ready? Boo! No? Dang it. Okay, nothing. How does the Joker laugh? How does the Joker laugh? I can't do it. I don't know what he sounds like. Like maniacally, like. Now I just sound like I'm crying. Ouch. I'm just also, why doesn't it come with the wig?
Honestly, this looks better. I did a better job than
All
this.
things considered, I think we did pretty good with this look. I think we pulled off the spookier looks better than the glam.
Yeah.
Actually, your glam was pretty good. That does it for our trying $5 Halloween makeup kits. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please show Joey some love. He was such a good sport. A big thank you to him. Look at all of the trauma he has put his face through. You actually look like a really good creepy pumpkin. Look at Joey, he looks incredible.
Yeah.
Also, let us know in the comments down below which look out of the 4 was your favorite. I think the Joker was my favorite.
Yeah, it's a good one.
And you look so good in the mermaid, but you're actually pulling this creepy pumpkin off really well.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, do you like glam looks or creepy looks better on Halloween? Let us know also that in the comments. Again, just a reminder, we filmed a video over on Joey's channel. Go check it out. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, bye you guys, and have a happy Halloween.
Bye.
Is that more like it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna make my own Joker giggle. It's like this.